Hi everyone, it's me again, Luciana. This time we would like to introduce you our glass lifting club. For the club series, we have two types. One is a fully automatic type and the other one is a semi-automatic type. Today we will show you the fully automatic type. Now I have it with me now. Firstly, let's enjoy with you to see how it works. Alright everyone, now let's take a closer look at the clamp. It has smooth and bright painting. The inside core is small and precious, which makes it flexible to rotate up and down. The looper inside makes the clamp easy to attach the glass sheet and without any damage or marks. The max working load of it is 500 kg and it's suitable for the glass thickness from 4 mm to 19 mm. If you still would like to know more, please feel free to visit our website or contact us directly. We are waiting here for you. See you next time.